Stop drawing, start explaining. AI Line Studios generates cloud and system diagrams instantly. Clear, structured, production ready.
Hello everyone, welcome to Airline Studio 2085, and today's topic is how to add an operating microdot animation in Concept Sketcher in AI Line Studio. So after successfully registering on the platform, the first page you would be redirected to is the workspace page. Over there you need to select the Concept Sketcher feature, and then the next page you would be redirected to is the Concept Sketcher canvas. Now I have already generated the diagram for my use case, which is the diagram for CPU scheduling flow diagram showing the process of arrival and job ready queues. And this diagram got generated in just 15 to 20 seconds. Now we are talking about the animation, so please click on the animation panel, and you can see over here there is animation named orbiting microdots. Click on it and you can see that these orbits have started flowing around the edges. So if you want to update the number of dots, you can do it from this bar. If you want to update the orbit radius, you can do it from here. If you want to update the dot size, you can do it from here. If you want to change the dot color, you can do it from here. If you want to update the travel speed, you can update it using this bar. If you want to change the orbit speed, you can use it and do it using this bar. So this is it for today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial.